Today we're going to be installing some parts on the MST RMX 2.0. I got some turnbuckles to replace the steering linkage. So pop the cover off and install them. Alright, so we have the RMX all ready to go. Have all the new control arms and stuff put in there. And I taped down a little course down here. So let's give her a rip and see how it goes. Alright, test run on the home course is complete. This thing absolutely rips with that other brush that's set up in here. And the new pieces, everything is nice and tidy in there now. There's quite a bit of play previously, so it's nice to have everything kind of tightened up, squared up, and have some adjustability in the alignment. Gonna dive into see what I can do to make the alignment better, but overall, pretty happy with this thing.